job for me. He's wearing it on his top.
The age of the incarnates begins!
Do healers wear the ring?
I'm wearing it.
I bet it does fat damage for a healer. It's probably like 50% of your damage. Dodge breath.
I mean, you know there's healing effects too.
Why would you ever want a healing effect if you could do DPS?
Oh,
First push. Breath, and then second push. Sparks. Dodge breath. Third push.
Nothing will be left standing.
Dodge breath.
The elements answer to me!
Dodge breath.
Are we trying to beat the first?
Stop DPS. Stop DPS. Stop, 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 stop. Do not even melee. Fourth push. We wouldn't have beat this one, it would have happened again. Push boss. Dodge breath. Right, clean phase, please.
They shackled it, but they could not control. They imprisoned, just like the aspects did to us.
First breath.
Red. Red bait.
Move.
Ruin.
Be behind the ads, please.
Go.
Go in, dilate. Move up.
Red.
Kick X. Be behind. Okay, move ahead. Ahead of the ads, all the way ahead.
Red dodge.
Don't be ahead of me. I think we get one more breath. Maybe not. Yeah, we do. Move up.
We will break their chains and restore the glory of
DPS pot. Hit pot.
but you will not survive to witness.
Spread out. Okay, get to your spot. Spread out and get through this wave. And then baiting. Watch them. Careful, it bounced. The goblin's gonna have 2 stacks. Get to your spark positions. Spread out, get through the wave. Get to your shield positions. Conversions. Move. Get to your spark position. Sparks. More in the middle. Baiting. Watch these people to get these. I'll take the one in the middle there. Don't move. Get off of me. Spread out and get through this wave.
Glasses me.
Watch health, watch health. Honk when it's safe. Get him healed. Sparks. Alright, do sparks, get to your safe spots. Watch health, don't die here. Conversions. Good. Get to your spots, rebuff, die.
Minions of the storm, hear my cause. Arise and unleash your power.
Baiting below. Dodging balls. It's baited, move. Get safe, get all the way safe. Okay, keep hitting your ad. Do not slow.
There's one ad kind of left out.
Yep, kill skull. Okay, get to the gateway, baiting, get ready to gate. Watch health. Melee back up.
Move forward more range.
Okay, get ready to root in the middle. Health pot if you're low. Rooting now. Kill the ads. Dodging balls. Looking for ads breaking loose.
Range bait. Group bait.
Dodging breath. Watch out, Chi. Watch health. Rooting.
I root.
Kill this ad, no deaths. Good. Alright. Just focus here.
Augment runes.
Even though he said he was baiting, that's the one that you actually asked
Just
me to
focus, please. Chi on X. DPS pots. Lust is up in 15. First magnetic is going to star. Make sure this TD goes on Chi and Hylian. Magnetic Blue Goblin to Star. Everyone looking at tornadoes that can. Get out of the things as soon as we get... Yep, get out of those.
Boss is here.
Eating tornadoes. Next magnetic is under the boss. Gwyn, get ready to get me soon. Now. Eating tornadoes, magnetic pull under boss arrow. And then spread to your phase 2 positions and eat tornadoes. Get through, health pot if you're low. Res both immediately. Chi, boss is yours. Everyone eating tornado. Get out of breath. Should be on triangle. This next pull is going to star. Eating tornadoes.
Tornadoes at star.
Next magnetic is at star.
Tornado coming in.
Get out. Those are rogue soaks. Keep eating tornadoes. Keep them healed if you can. Eating tornadoes. We have breath coming soon. Just keep eating tornadoes. Dodge breath. Magnetic is going under the boss, and then we're spreading for wave. Spreading to your phase 2 positions here. Get ready to TD me, Gwen. After this is going to be the blast in 3 seconds. Don't be on tank on X, eating tornadoes. TD. Eat tornadoes and burn boss. Watch breath. Eating tornadoes. Get through this wing, whatever you have left.
Kill it!
Nice.
Get me out of
You guys struggled with,
here!
you guys struggled with that last week?
Get out. Yeah, it was your fault, Gundy. Tonight was Warlock Stones. Last week was Gundy Diff.
I think that was ring diff.
Ring Diff.
Definitely a ring. I got the mount.
Wow.